lash lift. I got a bunch of lash lift shields and I'm gonna show you what these do. Give me a second. Also, some of these are used, like I obviously disinfect them. I work and I use these shields and I'm gonna show you how they work. Also, my camera's doing this crazy auto tracking thing, which is so funny. Anyways, let's start. So there's like 3 major types of shields. There's a flat shield, there's a round shield, there's a hybrid shield. Today we're gonna learn about these 3 kinds of shields. So when I first started lash lifts, there was not really very much in between, and if there was, it was something that was like not very apparent and people didn't really talk about it when I first trained. I trained, you know, in a nice space in the city that I live in. The girl was really straightforward, taught me what I needed to know, gave me my manual, and I was set on my way. And like now, it's 2024, almost 2025. There are so many different shields. There are so many different brands. Lash lifts have exploded. You know, if you're not on your game, that's okay because this stuff is overwhelming. Fortunately for you, I really like doing lash lifts and I've spent a lot of time studying and working and experimenting. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a breakdown of the lash lift shields that I use and what type of eye type they are for, just briefly. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the nicest ones possible for you guys. These are flat shields. You remember these? These are what I learned with. This was what I was told to use. And yes, I was absolutely told to only use like size small. They're like, if they have really, really big eyelashes, like medium. These shields are a lift shield. This one specifically has a little bit more of a round curve. I'll show you guys the flattest shields I have. Absolutely, the flattest shields I have are the Boo Beauty Bar shields. I don't really use these for a lift very often. I use them as flat shields for the Korean style lash lift method. As you can see, this is like a flat shield. So flat, so dramatic. Flat shields are good for people who have naturally curly or unruly eyelashes. You can straighten them out and reorganize them. They're for people who want a more dramatic look, who are lifting lashes that are not straight or just slightly curved. They're good for straight, like this, lashes that go straight or more up. But when you go towards lashes that are pointing down, you want more of a curve up because that will last longer because the way the lashes grow, they're just gonna be growing down and then you're gonna lose everything that you have up here, if that makes sense. So next, the round shield. I love a round shield so much, but trying to convince my clients that these are like the coolest is hard. I think these give like such a sexy look to people's eyes. Like, not kidding, like I just love a round shield so much. So these are really good for people with downturned lashes. They can be good for people who have really long lashes that don't want a super, super dramatic look because there's more space from going up into the air, like it's a curvature, right? So even if you have more of this space going up, it's still gonna look like a really nice lift. Plus, it's gonna last longer because as your lashes grow, so if they're downturned, they're still gonna grow and that circle is gonna still keep going up, or, you know, even if your lashes are straight, they're gonna straight and then go up. Like, to me, I'm like, this is such a beautiful shield. I feel like it's like so, it's kind of like the underdog of the lash lift. You know, sometimes your clients have a really nice lash line where it's like short here and long here. And then you use a round and it's just so pretty. Like, I just love a round. Did I say that? Did I say I love round shields? I did. Okay, next, hybrid. These are hybrids that are not by the originator of the hybrid shield. So they kind of go up in a curved view. And for most people, these are suitable. Like, if you don't know what kind of lash lift you want to do or what will suit your client. If you're not confident, then use a hybrid shield. And I'll leave a link down below for these ones. There's also some shields by, I forget her name, but she's the originator of these shields and they're very good. These ones are like more gummy. So if you like the gummy style, like I do glue-free lash lifts, the Korean style, no glue method. So I really like the lash lift shields that just kind of stick. And then when I'm at my second step, it's just so easy to glide the lashes up and you know, they're just very struggle-free when they're made out of this material. So these are the hybrid. And they all come in different sizes, right? So there's small, medium, large, extra large. There's M1, M2. Some go from size 1 to 8. Like there's so many different sizes and so many different shapes. I also have a pair of these sort of like lift shields. Blink. Blink. And they're more of a lift. And as you can see, it depends on where you place the eye. Like if your client has like shorter inner corners and then longer outer corners, you could go like this. But then if they have kind of equal amounts of lashes, you could go from the center and then you can cut the shield. There's a lot of different ways that you can use a lash lift shield. These are kind of just like the basic shields and what you would use them for. Ooh, one of my favorites. This is a very dramatic shield and it's a V shape. And a V shape is good for clients who have natural straight pointing lashes. You can use this for down pointed lashes. You just need to know, you know, your timing, your technique, what you're doing. I've used this for all types of lashes, but these give a very dramatic, sort of like a starburst effect. And because the pad is so big, you can use this for creating a really nice design within the lashes. People don't really think about as much in North America how you can really like be unique with your lash lift and have different styles, but in Asia it's quite popular to like place the lashes in different ways. It's never gonna be like overly dramatic in the sense that your client's gonna go home with like these like spike lashes that last forever and they hate themselves. It's just like for styling for photos, or like if your client wants more of a cat eye effect, these different types of shields can help you create that effect for them. But it's not a lash extension, so it's not creating something out of nothing. We're working with your natural lashes, being able to create with what you have. All these different lash lift shields help you create different effects and help clients with different lashes have those effects. Some of my clients, they use mascara and they have more of a dramatic look. Some of my clients go mascara free. I hope that this was a good explanation of the 3 types of shields that, you know, you mainly use. Those are the 3 shields that I pick up the most. I do, like I said, I do like the Korean style method, so I do pick up a flat shield, and those are all very straightforward, all flat. I like ones that aren't sticky. And I'll leave some links down below. So thanks so much for watching. That's all I have to say. Bye.